This week gold has lost its value against US dollar. We can see that the price has formed a bearish candle on a Monday with a gap. The price has opened with a gap because this gap was closed on the Monday. The price has reached the support level, we can see that, and it has bounced from this area of support. The next day, the price has formed this bearish breakout candle below 3350.58, and after that the price has returned back up, testing the previous support. It was now acting as a resistance and then continue losing its value. This bearish breakout I have shared with the traders inside the premium analysis. The link for the premium analysis will be below in the description, so feel free to check that and join if you would like to receive. When this breakout has happened, I have shared with the traders the entry level, what was the stop loss, and the take profit level was right here. So this breakout has been successful for the traders inside the premium analysis, and if you would like to receive these similar updates, feel free to check that link. After that, we can see the price on the Friday reached this area of support and it has stopped, which is very important that the price has closed the day below this area of support, which is a small one around 3287. During the week, I have shared these details, these daily analysis, and I have mentioned that I am expecting that the price will go down further after the price has formed this bearish breakout. We can see on the weekly time frame, it is a bearish candle that it is currently targeting here a support level around 3237. This is on the weekly time frame. On the monthly time frame, we can see this is a bearish pin bar targeting lower levels, but this is also 1 day left for this month on the Monday, so we'll see how the day will close. But as it looks right now, the previous month was indecision candle, and currently it is also forming some kind of indecision, but it is also forming as a bearish pin bar, which means strong week, a large week on the upper side, a strong selling pressure. There is no here bias that will push the price again higher, but there is strong selling pressure, which is started to move this month, and we can see a small wick on the lower side. So for now, I'm waiting how the Monday will close around this area of support. If the price goes below this area of support, forming a bearish candle, this means that the price will try to move further down to 3207.74. We can see that here as the next target, but first this will be the first small target around 3237.24. This target 3237, I have mentioned also this one here. On the weekly, we can see where these open and closes of these candles are. This means this is the next target on the lower levels. We can see that clearly on the daily time frame. For now, that's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.